All right, let's get into it. You ask, and ye shall receive. Do the gnomes approve? We approve. All right. So, as far as textures go, this is actually two different batches. As you can see, I had enough money to buy the first one, and then I bought these two. So all three of those are from the same batch, and then I ended up buying an extra one when I bought my dragon scales. And so as you can see, I cut it in half. They actually sell them like this now, which is really confusing because they want you to be able to cover the whole rail. So now they sell them with, like, you know, partial cutouts so that it covers, you know, even underneath the lights and stuff. That was overkill for me. I didn't even want to, you know, think about that. But there are two different composites. I'll put them up right here. I'll have to look on the website. But this was the more expensive one, and this is the cheaper one. And actually, the cheaper one is smoother than the G10 micarta or whatever these ones are made of. Again, I'll post it. I'm sure that there's some sort of like heat benefit to this. However, I can run gloves, and this one didn't seem to be overheating on me, and these ones did not do that either. And so I like these ones better. I like the way that they feel. I kind of like the way they look better too. But this is also the cheaper material. And on Black Friday, I was able to get 1, 2, 3 scales on this gun, and then this extra scale right here, just to cover up the rest of the rail, because this side was all lonely, you know. This side was all covered up. So I figured, I'll just throw in another one to the order. And as you can see, they are different colors. Doesn't bother me much because, as you can see, it's all different colors FDE here. So that doesn't bother me at all. In fact, this actually matches better with the Centurion arms, which I also did another video on these. If you get these and you can't put them on your rail, I did a video on how you just use your little M-LOK screws to mount them up on here too. So let me get a little bit closer for you. But I wish you could feel them too. These ones are a lot grittier. These are the G10 ones. This is like the cheaper material, and it feels smoother, which is enough grip, honestly, because this is like pretty harsh, and I got calluses, you know. So I'm not a stranger to like rough shit, but these are pretty rough, which is why I actually had it under here, and I moved it up here, and I put this one because it was actually, you know, kind of cutting my hand up. So keep that in mind. I know that there's not a lot of stuff on these rail scales, and I only have 2. I think there's 4. There's also the Matrix, and then there's like the big dot. These are like the mini dot. And I think that there's ones that has like bigger dimples than those. And then obviously these are the dragon scales that I have. Also, somebody asked what like this was. This is the X400 Turbo. Sorry, I'm blocking the light. X400 Turbo. And I have the adapter to run it to this mod button, which is on the HRF ramp. And these irons are co-witness to that red dot. So I know there's a lot going on here, but hopefully that was what you were asking for. You asked for better lighting, and boom! Can't get much better than that. So